I like to show you guys exactly what it takes to make these tracks that I'm making and putting out there on these big labels. And I know that a lot of people appreciate that. So you have to take everything with a pinch of salt, but I'm not going to change the way I make these lessons. If it takes me, if you guys don't like me scrolling through synths finding sounds, well, I'm sorry, but that's tough luck, because that is what happens when you make music. And these lessons are designed to help you guys really make an impact on your music. So just venting a bit there and getting it out there. But I won't change the way I do these. However, I will take all the criticism I feel is fair on board and try and improve them. But anyway, getting all that negativity and all that crap out of the way, hopefully this will be a really good session. And what we're going to look at today is a 10-step starting program, and we're going to basically cover all the other stuff that I've done so far. So I'm going to skip through it because I can't obviously do it all, otherwise it's going to take 6 or 7 hours. So I'm going to, instead of doing like a full groove, I'm just going to do a mini groove. Instead of doing a full bass line, I'm just going to do like a little bit of a bass line. But I'm going to show you and talk to you about this 10-step starting program, and you'll have to bear with me in my explaining of it, because sometimes it can get a bit messy and a bit muffled. But essentially what it is it's 10 steps to help you guys finish your tracks in an effective, timely manner. Now each step is designed and put in a certain place in the 10 steps for a reason. It's done so the next step is a lot easier for you. And how I want you guys to think of this 10-step starting program is, it's like making your track in layers. What we're going to do, we're going to focus on